Drink some water, you dafty. Here we are. We're here at the water station, the hydration station. And I'm going to show you how to work it because I made a shop. Some people's like, hey, what is that? How do you work it then? So basically you bring your bottles of water with you, take off the lids, however many you have. Just get this prepared. It's always better to be prepared. Okay, so there's quite a few mosquitoes here. It's just about 6 o'clock, 6:30. And make sure the nozzle is in the bottle. Just leave it sitting there. It's got its little tray that you can lift up and down depending on the size of your bottle. So get your 5 baht, usually with 5 baht from one machine that has very clean water. This is 6 litres, 1.5, 1.5. So usually I would get 9 litres from 5 baht. There's a bit left in this. It's not completely emptied yet, but I just want to see. Well, 5 bahts registered in there. I've got a little bit more just in case it's not enough because some are just strictly. It says litre per 1 baht, 1 baht per litre. So you make sure your nozzle's in the hole and you just let it go like that. What to say while this is filling up? Actually, we'll go in a wee bit more. This is where you got to have a little bit of finesse to work the button without it totally overflowing. You got to be quick. Who's fast on the buzzer? Who's the fastest? There's over all the way to the top here. You cannot. No. Did you see that? I'm still learning how to do this. I'm only joking. I've got it down. We have 2 baht left. Probably a little bit less than that. Sometimes, depending on the spray, you can get it there. But if it's not a big bottle, you don't need to wait too long. So now you get your finesse. Oh, the fingers finesse. We're down to 1 litre. We'll just, I'll bet you it will not fill up that. So that's enough. That's enough there. And we'll see how much we get in this. There you go. Bottoms up. So let's see now. This is 1.5 litres. Let's see if 1 baht will get us up to about here, wouldn't it be? Yeah. So let's put 1 baht in. 1 baht registered. I'll put my bottle here. Don't push it up too much because if the air can't escape, it will just boom, explode. So you want a gap for air. There should not be more than that. Oh, jackpot. Hey, yep. Oh, look. Yeah, I didn't do my finger finesse, but I'd say that's more than 1 litre. So this is a good one. The water tastes clean. I drank from it before, but haven't filled one of them up. So yes, that is how to work the hydration stations here in Thailand. Save yourself a good bit of money. Instead of buying this Singer, what's this one? 15 baht in most places. I got that for 1 baht. I got exactly that for 1 baht. So there you are. If you're staying longer in Thailand, that's where you get your water from, and you're not throwing out loads of plastic every week. You're saving the planet. Now, I'm not going to end the video, that was a mosquito, right now. If that's all you're interested in, then you can skip on away. But if anybody's interested, like my subscribers or that, is interested in what's going on, then I'll tell you. I've been very busy. And I went to Malaysia for a little bit and I didn't get the videos done that I tried to get done, and my channel took a little bit of a dip. A little bit disappointed. When I came back, I bust my buhuki off by editing one of the videos I had an idea of for, and the editing just took forever. I don't, probably closer to 10 hours of editing and no sleep. Lots of visa issues, challenges, let's say. Prices going up, and my education visa, education course went up, the visa price went up. So a few challenges that I had to overcome, but it's all good now. I'm moving house. If you know that's what I do, then that's what I do. I do videos of cheap rental houses here in northern Thailand. I'm starting off doing houses for sale as well, but it's the houses for rent. I had to move house because of my dogs. The landlady didn't understand that if I'm not there one night or 2 nights, I can't leave my dogs in the garden. They have to stay indoors because they're scared. They're kind of rescue dogs and they have some challenges themselves. So I had to move house just days before my flight. And if you want to see I actually filmed it all, man. I was talking to my friend and I says, I'm just going to video this because this is one of the worst times in my life where money is real tight and I've been under so much stress, and I've basically, been told that I have to leave Thailand in the next 10 days, and the next day my landlady came over and said, I don't want you leaving the dogs here. They've got to stay in a dog hotel or something, which costs a lot of money, and I couldn't do that. So I scrambled around and I found a brilliant place for rent for 2,500 baht a month, and it's a brilliant place. It's going to cost me, I've spent 2,000 baht already doing it up, but that's still cheaper than the 1 month rent at my other house. And it's got a much bigger kitchen, and I need to be in my kitchen a lot, so it makes sense. I did love the garden in the other one, but if you remember, I don't know if you've watched it or not, but that was November, the end of November, I think that video came out. And I moved in there. I moved into that house that week or something, or 2 weeks later. I'd signed the contract and went in, so I've moved out of there, but the next 2 days I've got to move everything out. And that's me finally kind of de-stressed a little bit in that sort of sense. The visa's done, super important, needed that done. Moving house, needed done, super important. I'm probably going to lose my deposit because the landlady we just didn't see eye to eye at the very, very end. So I'm not going to clean the house maybe we'll see what happens. But I don't have money for cleaning houses that I'm going to lose 10,000 baht on. Okay? Look at it that way. Hey, if you're taking my 10,000 baht, I'm not paying 600 baht for a cleaner to come and clean your house, so I'm losing 10,600 baht and you've got a nice clean house. Come on. That's why the 10,000 baht's there, to pay for the dirtiness or damages, right? Nothing's damaged. Happy vibes, by the way. Sorry if I'm sounding a little bit stressed. So that's kind of what's happened. I've been slow with that. Just want to say I'm going to get back into it. Hello, it's Editing Tatty from the future here. I just wanted to say that if you want to see that video of me being super stressed out for 2 days, 3 days I think I filmed over the course of being told to leave Thailand, being basically kicked out of my house, having to move house, having to book flights, having to book accommodation, having little to no money at the time where the flights were super expensive, a lot of stress, really emotional time. But I thought I'd just record it because that's kind of what people are looking for now, emotion, isn't it? Everything's AI and not real. So you're with a real one here, and I think you're one of the real ones. You must be a hardcore clan member if you're watching all the way to the end of this video. So I want to ask you to comment below, show me the pain, right? Show me the pain if you want me to upload the video of me during that stressful, emotional time. Show me the pain. Back to the video. Happy vibes, by the way. Sorry if I'm sounding a little bit stressed, but I am a little bit stressed. Lack of sleep, trying to figure out the YouTube game, and slacking a little bit in the YouTube game because of these challenges that I've got faced and have overcome. So happy days, everyone. Positive vibes. All the best to you. And let's make this year a bloody good year. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.